Hello everyone, Mokasi back. So today, that huge snowstorm is pretty much hitting the side of my house, and I was caught off of work because of it. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you what it looks like from my perspective. So that's what we're going to do today. Shit! So we're gonna just go outside. I think I'm gonna do the front yard. Yeah, front yard. Front yard is good. Okay, we're outside. And as you can see, it is snowing like hell. I mean, look at this. It's been like this for, I don't know, the entire day. Like, it's been bad. It's been real bad. So I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna see how deep this is. Oh, you see that? You see, my shoes have completely disappeared. They're gone. They're just gone. And yeah, it's continuously snowing. It's been like this for about, I'd like to say maybe, God, like 8 hours now. And like I said before, I was called off of work because of this, because of how bad the roads are. You can't even see the fucking road. The road is gone. It's just gone. So yeah, it's real bad. This is probably the worst storm I have ever been in, or at least I've experienced in my life, because I have not seen anything like this before hit Ohio. It's just crazy, if you ask me. I'm completely dressed up. I'm wearing 2 layers and a coat, and I'm still getting like really cold here. It's just like, you don't really see this type of shit, do you? And again, my shoes are completely gone. You can't see them. That's how deep this stuff is. It's up to my ankles, past to my ankles, basically, you know. And I mean, look at the trees. Trees, the ground, everything. It's white. It's snow. You know? I'm gonna get back inside. It's too cold out here for me to be doing this type of shit. You see that? That's what we're dealing with right now. That's the type of thing that I have to deal with. And I mean, do you hear that? Nothing. It's dead silent. Not a soul out on the road. Nobody wants to be out in this shit. Everybody's inside. It's like literally dead quiet out here. It's almost never dead quiet. The only other times it's been this quiet is like really late at night. Like severely late at night. I'm glad I can get this on camera. Whew, my fingers are starting to freeze up. I'm going back in. I'm too white to be out doing this shit. I'll get lost. Find my frozen body a couple days later when the snow melts. But come on, Freckles, move. But yeah, that's the type of situation we are currently in. And just a little warning, I do not recommend that anybody go out in this, because it would be very stupid. Freckles. Yeah, just don't go out in this. It's too cold for this shit. But anyways, I think that's a good enough video for today. So, I will see all of you in the next video. Catch you later.